Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Our family just hit 1K. It's so cute. Look, it's so cute. I'm so happy. We're just getting bigger from here. So I don't know what else it is, Judy. I don't know what else. If you already haven't and it's your first time watching my face, subscribe to the channel to be a part of the family, the squad, the gang. Hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. Follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description box down below and on the screen so we can be social butterflies together. I gotta stop doing this. I gotta come up with something better than that. I'm not doing my hair for this video. It's mostly focused on the makeup, on like my face. So let's just not focus on it. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, so when I decided to film this video, I was still really sick. So that's why I'm doing voiceovers. I'm basically gonna start with priming my eye, putting on eyeshadow base. I got this NYX white eyeshadow base because I thought it would help the colors pop out more. I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette. I really like this palette. It has so many colors and options. And I'm gonna go into that bright pink and with the brightest pink on the palette and pack that all over my eyelid. Next, I'm taking this light pink, I think the lightest pink they have, and I'm putting that on top of the darker shade of pink on my eyelid. I'm gonna put the light one closer to my crease and like buff it out basically with a big blending brush. I don't know all the terminology and techniques for this, guys, but that's what I did. So sorry if that doesn't even like make any clear sense in the English literature, but I'm basically trying to just blend that as best as I can. And then I took concealer and I am attempting to cut my crease as best as I can. I'm doing a half cut crease, so I didn't take it all the way to the end. And then towards the middle, I kind of buffed it out with my finger, so that way I can go back and make the transition smoother. And then right here, I'm taking this shimmery cream kind of shade, and I'm putting that on my eyelid, into kind of dragging it to like the part where the half cut crease stops, and then going back in with that original bright color and lightly patting or like bringing the pink from the outer corner to the middle, and then just going back and forth between those two to try and make it like transition nicely. Now for the face portion, I don't put on a lot of foundation, and I don't know if like that's cool or not cool. I mean, I guess that's really up to you, but I guess I just don't like the feeling of having so much makeup on my face, which is why yeah. But anyway, so I put foundation on, and then I'm going in with concealer to do like the highlights under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, and then I'm gonna take the beauty blender and press that into my skin. From there, I moved on to doing concealer. And honestly, please don't do what I did and like just try your best to like blend it in, because now that I'm looking at this footage, I can see a harsh line, and I didn't know that I didn't really do that great of a job of like blending it. But anyway, so then I'm going in with eyeliner, and am I doing a wing? I am doing a wing. Look at there. Sharp. Cut 'em, sis. And so, yeah, I do a wing liner. You don't have to do a wing liner, but I like wing liners. You know, I feel like it's such a classic vibe. It's always a nice little go-to, especially when you're unsure of your look. And then I'm lastly, wow, that line is so harsh. Please, guys, excuse me. And then I'm just lastly gonna do highlighter on my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. And I think that completes the look. Like, I think I'm done after this. I really don't do that much makeup. Honestly, I love focusing on the eyeshadow as best as I can, because I feel like that's just the best part of doing makeup. That's my favorite part, and I want to get better at that. But yeah. Oh, and I got Ardell Wispies. Yes, I'm trying to upgrade. You guys see? You see this? Oh. And I choked on the little setting spray. But after that, this is the look. I hope you guys like it. It was fun. And I hope you guys do something fun for Valentine's Day, whether that's with your boo thing or with your friends or with family. Enjoy your day, and everybody please be safe. And thanks guys so much for watching. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Alright, we're done. No, we're done. Nope, I'm finished. No.
Please finish.
I am finished. I am.
No.
That was it.
Like woo 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 woo. You know how the kids do. Woo, woo. When I'm in my truth, turn up on you when I'm in my truth. Yeah. Alley alley you when I'm in my truth. When I'm in my truth, pull up in that like woo.